Hi guys, finally I got my box from my order from Cytec Nutrition. So let's open together this box. Together is the unboxing time, and I want to show you guys what I took this month and what I will use for my routine this month. Most of the time is basically the same because I'm not changing much my supplements. Usually I take all the years long the same, but let's open together. So my Cytec Nutrition, this is a shaker Infinite Power. Love it, red and black. And then we have, of course, my hypercarnitine, 2 cups of this daily before my classic cardio in the morning. And then we have Amino Express. I usually take 1 scoop every day during my workout. It's very important for recovery, for don't feel the energy get lower. Amino Magic, because usually I change my aminos, depends on my mood actually, and the workout. I have here the ISO Way Clear. Actually, I never took this one. It's my first time. I took blueberry flavor, and I'm actually very excited to try this out because it's, I think, lovely, like my mostly of the time routine. Because as you know, I go with isolate protein or whey protein, but this one, ISO Way Clear, I will try that tomorrow and let you know. This is. Now we have again aminos and aminos, 2 different sizes. This is Amino Express again. This is all amino. Why this is smaller? Because now it's starting my traveling season. So I usually take this smaller one with me. It's more comfortable for the traveling and stuff. We have Prop. This is probiotic. I usually take 1 cup every morning. It's very important for my digestion, my intestine, so it's very important. Here we have double chromium because I take 4 cups each day. Usually I take this before my meal with carbs for have less absorption of my carbs. And we have here another box. Let's open together this one also. And we have, of course, water cut. Water cut, I take 4 to 8 cups each day, especially now or when I'm extremely stressed. So we have here Q10 enzymes, and we have green coffee. We have tyrosine, and then we have vitamin C, Mega MSM, GABA, CLA, and last one we have ALA. So those are my products. I never get off of this one, and chromium as well. So this is my unboxing of this month. Actually, I usually go every single day with this product, and I don't have the time when I cut off the products because, especially Cytec Nutrition, the best one, I go till the competition. I never take off glutamine, creatine, which is not in the order because I still have it, but all those products are simply amazing, and I will show you daily which kind of supplements for what and when you should take it. Cytec Nutrition.